Anyone have question? Okay, class, have you finished? Yes, indeed. So the product of your project is mini poster. I want you to upload it in the Google Drive I already provide. Finish? Yes, miss. Okay. Be ready to present. Group 1, please present your project. Okay, I'll open the Google Drive for you. Is it yours? Yes, yes. Okay. You can. You will be needing to review your friend's work in this worksheet individually. Okay, you can begin. So here is our poster, how light reacts to object and how shadows are formed. When a light passes through, it will be transparent object and it creates a transparent shadow. Give applause to our friend. Group 2. Okay, everyone, we will present our discussion about the shadow. If we place an opaque object in front of the light, it will create a shadow. Okay, thank you. Give applause to our friend. Now that we already learned about light and shadow, let's look at the bigger example. Please look at the video. Please look at this video.
Today, we will learn about solar eclipse.
Okay, what do you notice about the shadows during a solar and lunar eclipse? So in eclipse there is also shadow, but bigger. Yes, the shadows is bigger in the eclipse. We call it umbra and penumbra. Umbra is the darker shadows and penumbra is the Beside the eclipse phenomenon, what do you think in our real life that is important to learn about shadows and light?
I think light and shadow is important to tell us about time and light in ancient time.
Yes, we learned about time in the ancient times using the light and shadow from the sun. We all did